Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here, and this is a new semester at Sonoran Desert Institute. Last semester at Sonoran Desert Institute, I cannot believe I'm almost all the way through the program, but we just had some boxes show up, so we're going to show you what they just sent us in a moment. Okay, so this semester we have a checkering class, and of course we have our capstone project, which is going to be the AR-10, and we just had both boxes show up, so now we're going to go ahead and start diving into what SDI sent us in this supply drop. Let's take a look, shall we? This is for the FTT 214 checkering class. Probably betting we're going to have a stock in here. So we have a stock blank made out of walnut. This is actually pretty cool. I might actually make a stock out of this. And it looks like we have Gunsmith Kinks by Bob Brownells. I love Brownells. So this will be a really good, interesting book to read, I think. Denbart checkering tools. There we go. Got some checkering gauge and some patterns. All right. So this is for the FTT 214 class. So I'm actually kind of a little bit excited in this package. I'm not a big fan of checkering, but I'm actually kind of excited because I do have a piece of walnut that I could turn into a stock. Now, I have a 22 that has an old stock on it, and I'm thinking I might turn this into a functional stock. I don't know, but it's still cool either way. And if I don't make a stock out of it, I'll probably put it as a wall hanger because it's just big, silly, and ridiculous. And it looks kind of good. So I don't know what I'll end up doing with this. It might make a good video or a good epic fail video for how not to make a stock. We got an awesome book by Bob Brownells. I've been eyeballing this book for years. So I'm actually kind of excited I got this. This is going to be a good book to read. And we got some checkering tools, which pretty interesting. I mean, this probably aren't the best tools, but I'm not a checkering guy, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. So, hey, thanks for watching out there. I look forward to your comments down below, and please tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Gunsci signing off.